Can you help me taking this computer?
My computer is already in repair. He is over there. He is reading newspaper.
What matter?
Don't you see I am seeing to work?
Sir, my computer is not working.
This is not our job. This is your job. Do work immediately.
Boss leader, he is not responsible. I don't not like this job. I resign the job.
I also.
Hi friends, what's up? How is it going on work?
Yeah man, it's going on well, but the room is very hot.
Hey, what's the matter? You look very disturbed today. Sir, this room is very hot. This AC is not working.
See boy, please call the mechanic and immediately connect the AC machine. AC is not working. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Please call it. Everything is done. Today you have it okay. I will complete your work today.
It is almost done, sir. Still we have some work.
Oh, is it? I expect to finish the job today evening itself. Almost the time is 7 o'clock. Do you finish your work today? We were busy enjoying the job. We are doing it tomorrow.